Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to view mobile on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Viewing mobile on Squarespace is a straightforward process because once you are logged into your account, all you have to do is hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon and click the account dashboard. Now, inside the website builder editor, you would notice in the top right corner of the interface, you'll see a device icon. All right. Which shows you how the website looks on a desktop view, this one. Alright, for you to be able to view it on mobile, just click on the side which says mobile view, and you can browse through your website to check different pages, design elements, and how everything adjusts for smaller screens. And of course, from here you can make changes to your site within the mobile view. But remember that many changes affect both desktop and mobile versions unless you are adjusting specific mobile styles like spacing and font sizes. Alright. And from here, obviously, to ensure your site is fully responsive, adjusting well to different screen sizes, you can also test it on actual mobile devices by visiting your site on your phone or using browser tools like Google Chrome's developers tools to simulate different screen sizes. Now, if you want, of course, to have more control for testing for various devices, you can open site in a browser like Chrome and select Inspect, like this one. Right, and then there's going to be an option here that says the device toolbar. From here, which is the phone and tablet, to see how your site looks like in different screen. All right, and of course this will give you a good overview of how your website appears on both mobile devices and ensure it's optimized for smaller screens. Or you can also check some Squarespace mobile responsive templates when you're creating your site. Of course, from here you can choose any of them. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Right? For example, you're selling products, online courses, or promoting an event or project. Selling memberships, click on skip if you don't want that, or you might want to click on the browse templates. And from here you can type in something like mobile. All right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.